Hello, my beautiful Taurus. Welcome to my channel. I am sorry that I was unable to come because of my reading and because of my clients. I was unable to come. So from this time, okay, I will do the reading the weekly, sorry, monthly. Maybe I'm giving the weekly reading, first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. How it will go, okay? Because daily I was unable to do that because it will take lots of time, and I cannot able to do that because I had other people also who are actually my clients, okay? And please bear with me, okay? And try to understand my problem also. um, then let's start today. Let's see what the actually universe are keeping for you for December month, okay? And let's begin. I'll take 4 piles of cards, okay? Like weekly, first week, second week, third week, and fourth week, okay? What messages are sending, okay, towards you? I'll see from tarot also. I'll see by Osho Zen also, Osho Zen Tarot, and Lenormand also, okay? Okay, let's begin the first week of December, Taurus, for you. Okay, they are trying to tell that universe is trying to tell that don't blame others, okay? Maybe something will happen, you will try to blame, or you will try to fault someone, okay? Please don't do that. It's trying to tell I accept responsibilities for my well-being, okay? This is the card you can see. So you have to accept, okay? For your whatever you have to do, you have to do, okay? Don't blame others. If you cannot achieve something, please don't blame others, okay? And you should make a move. If you are stuck somewhere, you try to move, try to find something, try to find the way, okay? That what you have to do next, you have to think that, okay, and make a move. Every time I think you are thinking too much, you are dreaming every time, okay, but you have to choose something, okay. Maybe you are having lots of options, okay, in your life, okay. It's showing also over there lots of options in your life, but you are not choosing that one. Please choose that option. If you are having lots of option, you can find it out first week of December, and you have to make a choice and make a move, okay. Choose something and make a move, okay. Yes, you will get lots of options, okay, or you are dreaming something, okay, about something. So please choose something, okay. You should be mature, okay. You should be mature and think positively, okay. It's showing also it should be, you should be means feel, you should be mature, okay. Whatever you will do it with actually with passion, okay. Be mature, it's trying to say, tell you, okay. And maybe we have to go somewhere, there is some movement, okay. First week of December, you can you will go somewhere, maybe uh, different state can also happen, different country also can happen, okay. Maybe number 3 is important for you, okay. Now second week of December, let's see. Adversity, it's telling that I accept that challenges are the best way to learn, okay. It's telling that you have to choose, you have to choose something, okay. You have to make a move, okay. So accept, if you are having some challenge in front of you, accept that and make a move, okay. Try to learn your best, okay. So this is the message. Maybe you can do some water magic, okay. You can tell to the water, okay, some good affirmation, and you can drink that. Or you can do also something, you can do affirmation in hold the water or glass in front of you, okay. And try to give the positive affirmation and pour that water on the green tree, okay, which is blooming, okay. You can pour that water, so your life will be also blooming like that tree or flowering plant, okay. You can do that also. It's showing that lots of things you will get, okay, the first week of your December. Whatever you wanted, you are working for means long time, you will get all those things. And the second week of the December, okay. And there will be peace. You should go somewhere outside, okay, with your friends and families, and spend some time in the nature, okay. It's also showing lots of greeneries over here, okay. They are trying to tell you can go for picnic or go for outing and spend some time with the nature, okay. You will feel very nice, and you will get the positive vibration from there, okay. And maybe some celebration will happen in your family. It's also showing over here. Now fourth week of December, let's see, some change will happen. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement, okay. That's they are trying to tell, there may be some change can happen in your life, okay. So be prepared for that. I think that that will be positive change are coming, and you will get peace and happiness, okay. They are trying to tell to do meditation, okay, because it's also saying the meditation, do meditation for peace and uh, serenity, okay. So please do meditation, and if you want to find the answer, do meditation, okay. You will get the answer. Maybe third week of your third week of December, you will have or maybe the good news will come. maybe your marriage will fix. Okay, it's also showing that maybe marriage will fix, or something, some celebration will happen, or the ritual will happen in your house. Okay, so it's also saying like that. Okay, maybe you have to share. It's trying to tell, maybe it's also have come that your marriage card, maybe you want to you will share with your life with the with your better half. It's also coming, abundance are coming, prosperity is coming. Okay, it's showing, and you please, you have to have the celebration for that, and share your happiness with others. Okay, it's also saying over here. Maybe you will, someone will come in your life on the third week of December, who will be very honest and innocent. Okay, and loyal towards you. And maybe you will find someone who will be very loyal and very innocent also. Okay, who will try to help you. Okay, it's trying to tell. Okay, fourth week of December, what is coming? It's coming that you are very empath. Okay, means it's telling I am open to see both side of the situation. Okay, so you have to see what is good, what is bad, and in that way you can have to take the decision. Okay, maybe you will face, or some situation will come which you have to take the decision. Okay, so you have to be see, you have to see both of the side properly before taking any decision. Okay, and it's also telling that you can do the air magic. Air magic means that you will burn the incense. Okay, you burn the incense, and under that incense, okay, you can write the affirmation which is in present tense. Okay, and burn that incense. Okay, burn that incense. Can you see? Yes, burn that incense. Maybe in sometime if you do this type of magic, it will fulfill your wish. Okay, so they are trying to tell you. Okay, and maybe you have to do in front of sunlight. Okay, it's also saying that maybe you will have little bit of heartbroken in that time, and maybe you will find yourself somewhere where you are getting little bit of sadness. Okay, and it is trying to tell that three of sword. Okay, maybe third party situation can also happen, somebody will try to interfere in your life. It is also saying it can happen. Okay, it can be possible also. Okay, so it's also telling number 2 is very important for you, and it's telling go with flow. Okay, go with flow, and you have to see moment to moment what is happening, and where you have to, what decision you have to take. Okay, you have to see properly and try to take the decision. And it's also saying that you will get the lots of luck and abundance and prosperity. Maybe number 7 will be very good, and for you in that fourth week. Okay, you have to be very careful about that, or and try to see. Okay, the number 7 is if there is some important work in your life you have to do, then if you have to choose something, you can choose the number 7 also. Okay, or number 34. Okay, okay, then my beautiful Taurus, I'll stop over here only. I will come again. Before going, please subscribe my channel and give me a like if you like my videos. okay. And this is the general reading, okay. This can or cannot be resonate with you. How much it will resonate with you will take that much only, and rest of that you can leave it, okay. And you can share my videos with your friends and families, okay. Until then, okay, then I will stop over here. Until then, bye bye.